I want to talk about two argumentative techniques here. Now these are primarily methods you use to establish your voice, to establish your contribution in a conversation that you're entering through your writing when you're trying to persuade someone of your thesis. And when you are reading and learning about whatever it is you're attempting to write about, you may begin to realize that there are some things that haven't been done or haven't been noticed or haven't been claimed or haven't been observed or haven't been corrected. And these are things you can do then to develop something to write about and then to present, so to speak, to the conversation and actually end up having a contribution. So, maybe we should call these contribution techniques, but they seem to go by the name argumentative techniques. Alright, so there are two here I want to talk about in this short video, motif and pattern. And they both lie under the notion of ubiquity. Now, when someone is ubiquitous, when something is ubiquitous, he keeps on popping up, it seems, everywhere. Alright? It's just here, it's there, you keep on noting this one thing. Alright? So when you have motif, you notice a certain element, thing, keeps on, appearing in your, topic or research. You keep on noticing this word or this event or this person or this element, this thing, whatever it is, just keeps on showing up as you learn more and more about your topic. And pattern. So here we're talking about just one thing. All right. Pattern would be a series of things, a series of events or elements connected to each other, promising a causal chain, like cause and effect. Okay, so for pattern, you aren't just noticing one thing, you're noticing a series of events that seem to, one thing follows another, and that follows another, and one thing follows from all that, and so you have a beginning of these series of events, and you recognize this series of events happening here, and it happens there, and it happens in this time period, and it happens under this person, and it happens in this place, and you keep on running across this pattern, but you haven't really seen anybody notice the pattern or express it or articulate it. Well, see, as soon as you have something like that, you have something to write about, all right? Especially if it's a pattern within a topic people are writing about. If they haven't noticed it, you can write about it. Now, a motif is not going to be a series of events or elements linked together. It's just going to be one thing that keeps on popping up. Now, I know we can talk about one series of events, but ultimately it's plural. Up here, a motif would be just one event or one. So if you notice a lot of, well, we'll look at some examples in a little bit, but and so just one thing or one event that keeps on happening, not a series at once. Now, to really make these things work for you, you have two things cut out as far as writing goes, some jobs. You will need to establish existence of the element. So you have to prove that, in fact, it does keep on showing up. And then, once you establish this, then you can try to provide an explanation as to why it happens, how it happens, that sort of thing. So, if you're going to write using these techniques up here, your writing is very quickly going to divide itself into two basic tasks. First, you need to show that it really does happen this way, and then you show that here's why you think it does happen. You explain it.